I haven't done an update on my trading account for quite some time, and that's because over the last 4 or 5 weeks, the stock market has been on a real downer, and that includes my trading account. And over the last 4 or 5 weeks, since my last update, the profits on my trading account have dropped by about 30%. And it's not been something that I've been terribly interested to share. But of course, if you've been following my trading, you'll know that I am learning all the time, and it is for the long term. I'm not doing quick wins. So I'm prepared to lose any money that comes my way, because I'm also prepared to gain. In addition to the stock market going really low and also affecting my account, I've also done something a bit impulsive and something I regretted as soon as I did it. On my Trading 212 account, it popped up quite a few times that there was an IPO, which is an initial public offering. It's where a company decides to go from private ownership to selling their shares on the stock market, that, coming into the stock market. And one such company called Birkenstock was a really, really good company, a well-run company that's been going for a long, long time, came up as an IPO. And much like I fall for the adverts of fast food commercials, I've sadly fell for this, and I decided in my mind that when these IPOs come up, they always go up in value. It's kind of a thing that always happens. That's really part of my naivety, because they don't. And as soon as I clicked to buy and was only able to buy one share at $41, and that's another sort of thing that I got wrong, because as I've mentioned, I'm only buying shares on the UK stock market, but this had an offering on the US stock market. So the red flag should have been flying all the time to me. So as soon as I clicked to buy that one share for $41, then it went straight down in value. So immediately, pretty much within 24 hours, I'd lost easily $4, which was a massive problem. And it in a sense, it's a lesson for me. And if you're following my account, then you'll see that, at least for me, then buying shares via an IPO isn't always the best thing to do. What I'll do, I'll jump on my computer, I'll give you a quick update on where my account is, what's up, what's down, what things are doing, and you'll get a better understanding of where I am and my account, and hopefully you can see what I'm doing. By the way, this video by no means is this financial advice, and I'm not a financial advisor. This is just for fun, this video, just for entertainment. So here is my account, and when I posted my last video, my account was sat at £217.17, but now it's £225.54. So in truth, I thought I was much, much lower than I was last time, but I'm only just under £2 lower, so it's not all that bad. And you can see immediately when you look on this account, this is the Birkenstock's share that I bought. I bought one share for $41. This share is currently, today, nearly up by 1%, and I've also almost recovered my money. So I'm actually down £1 on that share. So if it goes up a bit more, then all the sadness, all the impulsiveness that I went through to buy that share, potentially it's actually going to reward me in the end. So it might not be all bad news. So just a quick look at my other accounts. So Imperial Brands, that's still down £1.11 currently. National Grid, that's the only highlight I've got. That's up 41p. So I'm keeping hold of that, of course, until it reaches that magic £2. The biggest challenge I've got in the whole of my trading account is NatWest Bank, which is at £11 a negative, which I'm just stunned, because NatWest Bank is an amazing company. It's a bank, and that is certain to recover. I'm not panicking whatsoever, and it looks like I'll be keeping that share for quite a while. Hopefully, I'll get another dividend soon as well. And then PayPal I've just got £10 worth of PayPal, and there is a reason I've got those £10 worth of PayPal. And maybe in another video, I'll explain to you why I've got those shares. And you might get some too if you're interested. So keep watching if you're interested. So what I will do is just have a look at what's been happening in my account, because this is quite interesting. So as you can see there on on the 29th of September, I bought $41.4 worth of Birkenstock shares. What I have seen is I've been gaining money on the interest. So the money that's sat in my account that's not being traded, and it's only like £20, I'm getting interest on it. So like almost every other day I'll get a penny. So if you imagine that, if I get it every other day as half a year, I'll get something like 170, 180 pence. So it's not a lot really, is it? But it's still nearly £2. So that everything's worth having. What I did want to show as well is I did get a dividend, as I said I would. I received a dividend from... I can't see that. Oh, sorry, there it is. I received a dividend from Imperial Brands of 65 pence. So I believe Imperial Brands give a dividend every 3 months. So if I get 65p every 3 months, I'm talking about £2, nearly £3 worth of dividends. So £2.50. So that would be really good. That then, obviously, I'm at the moment with Imperial Brands on £1 down. If I get £2.50 dividends, then I'm happy. I'm earning money despite the fact that the share price is down. So I'm really happy with that. That's it really. That's the status of my trading account. I'm being extremely transparent, and you can see that it's not all good news. It goes down, and currently the sort of world and the stock market around the world is just down everywhere. It's not a good place to be, and if there's any time to want to try and start trading in the last sort of 6 to 9 months, this time it's just not the best time at all. You want to be trading when it's going up, and you can sort of cheer how well you're doing. That's it. Thanks very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheerio.